Hello guys, today we will be going to unbox a multi-tool survival credit card. So here it is. So this is what it looks like. So it is being marketed by Vijay Vallabh Traders and I have got one of them. I have bought it from Amazon for 150 rupees but it says 600 rupees. So I have got a quite good deal. So here we get a leather cover or it is leatherite, I don't know, but it feels very good and is black and it is quite good for storing it. With this we get kind of introduction to the multi-tool, and at the back we have the uses and the tools which are mentioned in this. So we have a can opener, side knife, a screwdriver, ruler, bottle up, hexagon wrench, adjustable wrench, double row, direction recognizer, positioning wrench, and round hole that is used to hang a key. So this is ruler, this is wrench, and this is another adjustable wrench. This is position recognizer. This is the keychain hole, and this is the saw. This is the this is the bottle up. This is the can opener, and this is the screwdriver, and this is side knife. So we will keep that aside, and here is our product. We get it in black color, black matte finish, and so here we have a direction finder, or as mentioned, position recognizer, a double wrench, 4 wrench, a bottle up, a ruler, a side knife, a bottle opener, and a kind of saw here, and this is the keychain hole, and this is a screwdriver. So seeing this, I don't think that the knife is too sharp. So knife is not sharp, we have to sharpen it up. And the bottle opener, I think that it is good, and this can opener will also work, but as the knife, this saw is also blunt, and the screwdriver seems to be good. I think it will work. And ruler, it has inch markings, 1, 2, and it is kind of 3 inch. This wrench, it also looks good. I don't know what is the use of this position recognizer, and this is pretty much for the keychain, this hole. So I think that it is a good product, except that its side knife and this saw is blunt. Everything else seems to be fine, and I think that it's quite good. So this is pretty much for this video, and thank you.